Every time you stop your car at a traffic light or you stand as a pedestrian next to a traffic light and cars just stop. So in the past you had the problem that every time a car stopped you could hear it because you had this loud squeal noise, which is very high frequency, very unpleasant to listen to, and it's very long until the car stops. And we work very hard to eliminate this noise. And you also, as a passenger inside the car, have a much more pleasant experience because you don't need to listen to every time when you touch the brake this squeal noise that you also hear inside the cabin. So when I started back in 2008, simulation was really seen as something strange you did on the side. Now it's much more that simulation drives the development, and this is also where we want to go. That based on the simulation you can then go to prototyping. You can skip many prototyping steps this way. So this is a big shift in simulation that we've seen over the years. I think one of the trends that you can see here very clearly is that there's a drive to integration, and that we can now connect multiple disciplines together and have the full simulation.